Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Mommy loves you. What you doing? Huh? Baby? Baby Jake, what you doing, huh? What are you doing? Wiggle, wiggle. He loves wiggling those legs, huh? Big boy. What you doing? Exercising? Huh, baby? What you doing? Mwah. We were gonna take a nap, but I guess you're up now, huh? Gonna wanna take a nap? Huh? Let's see. Where's your bubble? Huh? You want this one? Oh. Do you want it? Go ahead, Gordo. There you go. That says exactly what you are. Adorable. Are you relaxed now? No more squirming around, huh? Oh, maybe not. Maybe you are. Say bye. Gordo. Okay, we're gonna go now. We're supposed to be taking a nap. But somebody woke up on his way here to his bed. So I'm gonna try it again. Okay. Say bye, Gordo.